Hello everyone, and this video I'm going to walk you through how to follow a person on Pinterest. Now there are many ways you can follow a person, but I'm going to give you four major ways. The first way is by using the search bar. So if you use the search bar, you click search for the person you want to follow. Type in the name of the person's username, and then let's say I want to follow someone called Kiki. And I don't know anyone by that name. Let's say kitchen ideas. Let me use kitchen ideas. Kitchen ideas. So we have Harvest Kitchen. There's this person I want to follow. So once you find the person, let's say you can see the option for follow. You click follow. So simple as that. Now the second way you can do it is from the home menu using the pin or the board. So if you see, like example, I want to follow this particular person, you click on the person, then you click on the person's name, and then you can see the option for follow, and you follow the person. It's as simple as that. And the third way is by using suggestions. Sometimes Pinterest suggests people to you. For example, when I want to search now, you can see search. You can see ideas for you. You can see the suggestions. So I can choose one. For example, let's say I want this particular one. Click on it, and then from there you can pick the one you want. And then don't forget to click on the person's name, and then you can now follow. It's as simple as that. And next way you can do is from your profile. From your profile, you can click on your profile, and then you tap on following, and you see people that you follow. So you can now follow them if you want. But if you want to add to them, if you want to change, if you change your mind, don't follow them anymore. If you want to add to them, you can use the 3 methods I showed you. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.